Welcome to Neutral Vibes. I'm a Jamaican and I love to cook. Today, I go cook up rabbit. This is oftentimes regarded as a pet, but for me, it is nothing more than just food. So I just done clean up the rabbit when I have on the table now, so I'm gonna head on the road right at the market and get some seasoning from our local farmers to really prepare the rabbit here in the best possible way. We're gonna make rabbit burgers today. So I'm gonna basically debone the rabbit and grind it up along with the local seasons and spices applied to it to make the perfect burger. So come with me to the market and see what I go on. Morning. I can get one of them big sitting there, jerk season, all purpose.
One 2 corner chicken back, 1 corner chicken foot.
Back in the whole market here. Yeah, my boss. Put down them there. One pimento, more onion.
What onion now?
Eh? Give me about a pound of onion there. More garlic too.
Why are you YouTube channel?
Neutral Vibes. Eh?
I'm bridging more time.
Yeah, man. So what your name?
They call me Black and I Market.
Black and I Market.
My original name is Mackenzie, never.
Okay. I want some pepper too, you see me?
Yeah.
So some nice jerk me I make.
Yeah.
So you have pepper, you have scallion, you have tomato.
Everything you have.
Everything. Yeah, man.
Everything. How is the plan? 150.
I take up scallion yet? Alright, I want a bungalow scallion and thyme too. You have fear, yeah?
Everything you have.
I know.
Every almighty thing.
Cool no man.
Everything you have, you're upon it.
You can't full off of everything. That's cool no man. So I just leave the market and run to the supermarket now, which part me I go get my burger buns, my lettuce and my cheese. All of these are important in making the perfect burger. So right now I go pay the cashier and head back on my yard. Basically, I just kill the rabbit, I just chop it up, so I'm in the process of deboning it. I don't debone it basically, so I just remove the silver skin, and the silver skin is that hard layer of skin over the rabbit itself. Marinade doesn't easily penetrate through it, but once you want the proper penetration, you have to remove the silver skin at all times.
So what is the silver skin? Can you show me the silver skin?
So, like this area of skin, call it silver. If you notice, it can't easily remove.
Oh.
So I'm going to push my finger below. You see this thick, this thing right here?
Okay.
That's actually the silver skin. So what I'm doing now, I am removing all of the silver skin so that the seasoning can properly soak in it. If you also notice, rabbit kind of have two color. You understand?
Oh, they do?
So, come closer. So the white meat kind of give it a chickeny taste, and the darker the meat, it kind of give it a beefy taste.
Oh.
So this meat kind of have two different tastes attached to it.
Oh, so a beef and a chicken taste attached
Right.
to it. So do you like rabbit meat?
No, I don't like it. I love it. You know, so over the years I've been raising rabbits as pets, you know, and then I was actually at a Dembe show where I saw them they were basically having rabbits on expedition, you understand, and they were saying that these are alternative protein sources. And I said, hey, you know what? I'm going to try the rabbit meat.
And do you think it's better than chicken or actually the same or?
Alright, I think it's much better than chicken, as rabbit meat is very lean as it relates to protein. You understand? So it doesn't bring much fat. Now Jamaica has an issue with obesity, you know? So if persons want to shy away or run away from obesity, rabbit meat is the ideal meat for them. Low in cholesterol, low in fat, the perfect meat for everyone.
Hi guys, this we're gonna use to grind our rabbit meat. So we're gonna use this machine to grind our rabbit meat. So before we go ahead to grind our rabbit meat, we need to connect it to something very stable. So look at the machine. This is a machine. So the meat will be coming through here. We'll be putting the meat through here, and this is some manual grinder. So we'll be grinding and grinding, but we'll show you the process as soon as we start. So let us try and get this machine onto the table and get it firm onto the table. So we're gonna be, don't worry. Just like that. And just like that, we are connected. And just like that, we're connected. Okay. This is our finished, cleaned rabbit meat. Very, very beautiful. It was prepared by Newt. We're currently going to wash this meat. I'm gonna use some vinegar. Okay. Get away some of the rawness from the meat, even though I'm not smelling it. Get all that vinegar into it. Wash it out. Just giving it a second rinse. Our meat should not be wet when grinding. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a dry towel inside another dish, and I'm going to take the meat out and let them drain. So this will eliminate all the water, or most of it. Okay, now we're going to grind our meat. Eventually the rain will come, but before the rain, guys, you know we always have some kind of eat. So I'm sweating like a pig, but anyway, we're going to be grinding our meat right now. Okay, so we're gonna pour the rabbit grind into this container. We're gonna rest it into the fridge for a while we cut up some seasoning. But first, I need to big up our subscriber Maria for this amazing machine. It works great, as you can see. We are really appreciative of it. Thank you so much. this is what it did, and we're going to show you the burger buns after. Smaller in pieces. We're gonna pour in the garlic and the pimentos. Some more garlic and our green thyme. Now I'm gonna chop up our scallion. Everything here that is in the blender, this is going to be mixed with our rabbit meat, and it's going to make it really, really tasty and amazing. We're also going to put in a little bit of powdered seasoning to enhance the flavor. So let's get right into it. I'm going to use a little bit of paprika for coloring. A little bit of dry jerk, not too much. Maggi all-purpose. And a little bit of chicken spice, a little bit. So this meat was already placed in the fridge. And now we already blend all our seasoning together. I'm gonna open. Oh my God, look at that. We're gonna make our first burger. So this is our first burger. It's raining, guys. We're outside. And there you have it, guys. Look at the side, can you see? Time again where we're going to be putting on our special burgers, and our special burgers are rabbit burgers. Well, I've never seen it done before, but we're going to try. And I believe anything can make burger, right? So let's try this one. Oh, nice. It's not itching. Perfect. There's aroma, right? Smells good, right? You like it? How does it taste?
Like chicken.
Tastes like chicken?
Chicken burger.
Ooh. Nice. So Newt, your first time making rabbit burgers, what do you think?
It's so amazing. So right now my rabbit burger them just a come off of the grill. My seasoning then done prep like my cucumber, my tomatoes and also my lettuce. So I'm there the final phase now and everything gonna put together and we're gonna create the perfect rabbit burger. And just like Burger King, me I go have this my way right now. I just want to tell everybody thanks for watching Neutral Vibes. I really appreciate your continued support and please remember to like, share and subscribe.